Welcome to the Morphium Matchmaker tutorial. Go to the Morphium Discord server. Get verified and register your wallet. Go to Morphium/Matchmaker. Select Create New Listing. Morphium will check your wallet contents. Click Add Item. Copy the fingerprint from the item in your wallet. Enter the fingerprint into the Which Asset field. Enter an amount of ADA or another asset or ADA plus assets. Click Finish. It will post the listing on all Discord guilds that have Matchmaker. It will also post the listing on Twitter. When a buyer sees the listing and wants to buy or negotiate, he can click the Buy or Negotiate button. The buyer has the option of making an offer or counter-offer. The buyer can select a time to make the exchange. The seller gets an alert. The seller can accept or decline the offer. Each person will get a custom link and a safe phrase. Safe phrases can be checked on Matchmaker/safe phrase. Both parties will connect on the provided links. Matchmaker will build the transaction of the intended swap. A sign button will activate once the transaction is ready. The wallets will pop up for both parties to sign their transaction. Matchmaker will submit the transaction to the blockchain. The swap is now complete.